Night cook. He freezes, hearing his nickname from her lips again does something to him. Something he refused to name. He looks at her. What friends can call each other whatever they want. She softly scoffed. A maid walked towards the room to call the couple for dinner. The moment she hears the sound coming from inside, her cheeks instantly turn red. Why you are doing it really well? Please a little harder, not wanting to interrupt the private moment the maid quickly away inside the room. However, still focused sitting on his head, while Cresswell, a hand firmly against his broad shoulder, trying to ease his tension. That's enough, Cook. I am exhausted now. She dramatically dropped herself onto the bed. He looks at her with narrowed eyes and raised brow. You are saying as if you have given massage to 3 or 4 people. He scoffed. Have you even lifted yourself? You are my best in the hall. My hands are literally hurting. She rubs her arm. Suddenly he over her. Oh really? I am the hall. His tone sounds offended. Oh, he has not realized how dangerously close they are. Yes, I don't know how you enjoy tolerate such a commitment. She took her eyes, his eyes widen slightly. He leans closer to her face. So now I'm the Hulk interrupt me too. There is some anger in his voice, but his eyes shine with playful intensity. You didn't want without warning. He started tickling her. My laughter fills the entire room. Stop, please. No. She still at him, breathless, now moving. Finally, when she can barely breathe, he stops his head slowly drop onto her shoulder. Both of them try to steady their racing breath as they pass. They go closer, closer in a way neither of them had expected. He begins forming deep bond with her. They go to office together, then come home together, eating together, talking, just providing peace and real like she is living inside a fragile dream she is scared to wake up from. Her heart flips slightly when he snuggles into her neck, feeling comfort as if he belonged there. His lips press softly against her skin, sending sharp shiver down her spine, making her heartbeat lose control. Her voice trembled uncontrollably. He continued crying himself, as if hiding from the wall inside her breast. Can we stay like this? He murmured softly. Okay, she does not understand his intention, but she is willing to obey him. After a few quiet minutes, she suddenly spoke. Do you remember how you used to watch your younger brother's romance with his wife? She says teasingly. His entire expression changed instantly. Please don't remind me. Divine. But she does is not ready to let him off. You even walked into their bedroom. Her words stop when he glared at her sharply. She cuts back her laughter. You saw them kissing. She burst into mysterious laughter. I realized he stopped. He was feeling, but she keeps laughing. Suddenly leans down. Her neck lightly, her breast gets a stroke of butterfly inside her stomach, not laughing anymore. He smiles, seeing her go completely quiet. Anything realize he has gone. He lowered himself again, this time softer, placing his gaze over the spot he had beaten. Slow smile spread across her lips. Silence fell in the room. After some time, they fell into deep sleep in each other. You look breathtaking, he complimented Ryan, who was standing in front of him wearing a lavender gown. Her soft curl all down her back, brushing against her skin. She looks absolutely stunning, if even her husband accepted it. Thank you, you don't look any less handsome yourself, she says with a mischievous smile. He chuckles at her naughty expression, pulls her into his arm, and gently presses her kiss to her forehead. Should we go or skip the party? He asked playfully with his while cheeks turned red instantly. She knew he is just chasing her over the past few days. They have grown more comfortable with each other, cutting her feels natural. Shut up. She slightly slaps his chest and both of them head downstairs. The entire generation is motivated with festival message on the studying anniversary. The country is just empowered people. Happy new birthday, including politician Mrs. Bennett and Royal Green Metal his partner Mr. Arm and greet him with a warm smile. Soon both of them are busy making guests. That's when my eyes said on a familiar face. She has seen her picture in album with him before. Maybe that's Soya. Jab could feel right up his arm and look at her with a raised brow. She is here. She went towards Soya, who is walking toward them. His expression turns cold the moment he sees her. They excuse themselves and praise. Hello, we are waiting at a long time, she said with a slight smile. Unfortunately, she muttered loud enough for both of them to hear. He smirks at his right ear. You must be his wife, she says with a fake smile. He pulls lying closer by her face and says proudly, whenever he confesses her intention to while sleep at night, maybe it's just for the world to see her son. Last month, at the acceptance. I need to talk to you her tone cold. Clearly, she won't dislike notes. I need to talk in private, she said, giving me side eyes. She's my wife. In her presence, it's okay. She gives an assuring smile and steps a little away. Speak fast, so your flirt is tone, but Kedar's herself. I regret what I did. I should not have left you like that. She continues, voice trembling. Our love is strong since college was. Love was. He interrupted, telling himself that their love is ended. Please forgive me. I know what I did was wrong. I know you managed to find was not willing. You are not a great home. I want to fix my mistake. I love you. I know you love me to divorce on it. And now his voice deep danger. His dark eyes silence her instantly. Just then, your fight means her. She stepped forward calmly, sipping her juice, seeing her. Then expression softens slightly when you are not invited here. Her tone sharp, abrupt, calm, so get out, he commanded. So you're sitting in his turn to go out, but stopped. And don't you dare interfere in my married life again. He wanted her so that he immediately as they turned to walk away, Venus simply bounced into a waiter. Don't you have eyes? Is that what the waiter realized? It's okay, because she's in the way to leave 7 o'clock. Should I go for help? No, I can manage. She goes upstairs after cleaning her gown in the bathroom. She doesn't look at all. She frowned. What are we doing here? She asked him. You already said something. Let's chat down makes you even more aggressive and circling backwards. Get out. He steps closer. I to see a smile on his face. But slowly before I leave, I'd like to with his partner's wife. If you find out he was married, wasn't making we are working on a very important project. You would risk it for a meal. His expression immediately. On the other hand, Chuck was emotionally very quiet. He had already been more than 30 minutes and she still had not returned. The show would check on her. Inside and out toward his room. As soon as he opened the door, his eyes darkened in the sunlight. Inside the room was praying with power, Mr. Simon food and proclamation. He moved shortly near the but his not daring. They opened his face dangerous, terrifying, and outside and stairs. The man fell over his present in shock in the horrifying scene. Jacob came downstairs, breathing heavily. His steps fall. Dominance concluded the scene with clear purpose to make sure his company were moved to the order his join in the basement. The next little was slippery because this is how purple marks were visible on her neck. She looked fragile and vulnerable. Guilt filled him by and she whispered, standing in front of her. She slowly lifted her wet eyelashes. He tried to yesterday, pulled her into his arm and she burst into tears. Be I understand you. He kissed her back. She snuggled into his arms, seeing comfort. In the shower, both of them became completely dressed. He did not listen. He was not disgusted. He knew the man is talking much of her. I understand. Yeah, the moment was heavy and tense between Maria and Stacy. That they never understood immediately who should change. It is still was instead of the shift changes by being recognition because substitute Mary maybe have made for the friendship. After some time, she confirmed Jane's answer. Jane's came on the bed already changed. She didn't even do one thing. So far, directly to meet his eyes, but her step only. Come here, he waited on the bed beside him. She shyly lifted her lashes. As it come here, little one messed up, went down, laid her instantly, and she beside him timidly, but her eyes before him pulled her into his arm and held her mother. He rested his face on her chair, holding her close, seeing her chest rising, falling with deep breath, made him smirk. No, the effect made her very gently put her neck on her away from her husband's arm. The one might echoed in her mind, her heart fluttered with the thought that he was willing to give this night a chance. He had accepted her as his wife. That husband she didn't so by his count left, she is almost confident. It's better to her but in passion. Way before then, one seemed that could disappear by their relationship had grown. One mind was happy, but she still wanted to hear his confession. Those three comical words were one of the last few days he had been to see trouble and we start getting busy and everyone inside as she is that house. Everyone from the compliment she found when she saw everyone in the hall. That was what happened here in the house of life. She placed her parts on the sofa and the sound of something breaking came from her room. That sound came from my room. She seemed looking toward the third floor. The dressing room is very clean and David told me what had happened. But went into his room and he could start breaking things. I might be stopping him there. He said, went over the stair, but someone else had stopped. No, Payan, you should not go to him right now. His temper is dangerous. We can't calm him down. But let me go. He might hurt himself. She freed her hand and went upstairs. As soon as she opened the door, her eyes widened. The room was completely messed up. The bedsheet was on the floor. The dressing table was broken. Painting was in the middle of the chair. Stone Jacob with that messy and Jacob was seriously died without his straight eyes and his gaze made a little how angry he was. He stepped over him and moved him to his uncomfortable there's something in his face and 5 minutes passed, but he was not ready to move. His hold around her waist was tight and possessive. What happened? Why are you so angry? It is because of Burke, she asked softly, caressing his hair, muttered a low no against her neck. Then who made you this angry? She asked after a while. He calmed down and looked at her. Soya, the name left his lips in a tone full of hatred. Pine Front held his hand and made him sit on the sofa. Sit on his lap. Now tell me everything. He held her by waist and looked at her with a deep expression as if he didn't want to tell her the full truth. Don't you dare scare me with those eyes. Enough of your anger came. Now tell me everything. Her last word sounds like a warning. He ran her hand through his hair. She often comes to my cabin to convince me to accept her, and today she comes to me. Seeing his clenched jaw, she leaned closer and touched her softly, so he was trying to calm his anger. He was mentally seeing her in so you have breath while looking at his fading